Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Zoom password. So the first thing you do is you head over to zoom.us if you're using the browser. If you want to use the app on your phone, just simply sign in using the app on your computer, I meant. So the next thing you do on your device, next thing you do is from your home page here, you look at the left side. Yes, head over to the left side. So this is where we're going to click on profile. Now profile open up these options. So you scroll down a little bit and under sign in, you can see sign in email and sign in password. Now we want to change or reset our password. So you simply click on edit at the right side, put in the old one, put in the new one, and tap on save changes. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching everyone. See you in the next video. Bye for now.